like I said, they dubbed you the prophet for your stock picking
Right.
record, track record. I need to ask you where you think we go with the markets here, specifically the S&P. What direction do you feel we're headed in? More pain?
Yeah, I came into the year fairly cautious just on valuation, and so I told people, look, just it's okay to take some gains, sit on a lot of cash, but make sure you're getting paid more than 4%. Don't let it sit in your checking account earning zero. Then as the market dropped almost 20% from its peak, I think the Nasdaq was down almost around 30%. I didn't. I maybe there was a day or two in there where I could have been like, it's time to back up the truck, but I didn't
Yep.
quite get there because we started from such a high valuation point. But the most important thing I said is sit tight, don't panic. What's roiling the market is actually not external shocks, but things that can be controlled and changed by the president, for example, with the tweet. And sure enough, he delayed or backed off some of the things that were most roiling the market, and the market's had a really hard rally. Where S&P's now down only 3 or 4% this year. So I'm still recommending sitting tight. If you have an index fund with your retirement funds, if you own good stocks, sit tight. I don't think it's a great environment to be buying, but long term, the market's going to do just fine. So we're sort of in a mushy middle right now, I would say. I
Mushy
was I
middle.
was getting pretty close to, back up the truck,
Yeah.
at the lows a couple weeks ago. And that's okay. We'll get more opportunities.